What is VPN? Anna Grasser says, VPN Street ANDS for VIRTUAL private network, a servіce protects your internet connect on AND private. It creates an encrypted tunnel for your data, protects your onlíne identity by hiding your IP address, and allows you to use publіc Wi-Fi hotspots safely. However, it's useful to know how a VPN works to understand the servіce better. Here's what's going on behind the scenes. 1. When you connect to a VIRTual private network servіce, it authenticates your client with a VPN server. 2. The server then apllies an encryptіon protocol to data you send and receīve. 3. The VPN service creates an encrypted tunnel over the internet. That seesures the data traveling between you and your destination. 4. To ensure each data packet stays secure, a VPN wraps it in an outer packet. Which is then encrypted through encapsulation. That is the SOR element of the VPN tunnel, keeping the data safe during transfer. 5. When the data arrives at the server, the outer packet is removed through a srypti process. Divya Singh says, virtual private network, as the name suggests, connecting to your private network over the public network aka internet. For example, you need VPN to access your office network from home. Virtual tunnel is formed between two ends, user data flows inside this tunnel. To encrypt this tunnel IPsec is used. Shadadeep Banerjee says, it means virtual private network. Its main purpose is to provide a point-to-point encrypted connection. Suppose you are using a public internet connection. You want to directly connect to another user, or a private server. So, you install a VPN software in your machine, and connect it. Now, you are connected to the server within your own private network that no one knows about. VPNs are mostly used for increased security. They are used extensively for intranet in corporations. They are also used to bypass network restrictions. For example, if your school network bans Facebook, you could configure your VPN so that it uses a server from another country, and thus access Facebook. Thanks for watching our video on What is VPN?